Hey guys, I'm Soham from the Tech Tips and welcome back to a new video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do this. So, if you're bored of the old, dull, pale color of your smartphone and you want to level up the looks of your smartphone, you should use this trick. So the first thing will be, you will need to buy a thing which is called a skin. So skin is just a sticker which can be stuck on your phone or on your any other device just by using heat. And it can just give your phone some great
advertiser friendly content
looks. So the first thing would be, you will need to buy the skin from Amazon. The link will be in description. And without wasting our time, let's get started in the workshop. Okay guys, so first to make your own skin for your phone, you would require a cutter, of course your skin. I will provide the link in description where you can buy this skin or any other skin which you want. A heat gun or a hair dryer or a matchstick would also work, but I would suggest to use a hair dryer or heat gun as it would be more easier for you all to do. And then of course your phone. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first I've cleaned my phone, and that's the reason you can see so many scratches on it. And I would also suggest you to first check where there are mics on your phone and where mic holes are and where are different speaker grills or headphone jacks. So you have to just mark and note that place. The first step is to keep your phone on the skin and see that there are nearly 1 to 2 centimeters gap around each and every corner, and then just cut it. So the next step is to remove this cover and apply it on your phone. Now that you have done that, first I would suggest you to turn the phone over and heat the back side so that you have no air bubbles in it. As you can see, after heating, the sides are getting over the phone. So first I would suggest you to cut all the areas for your cameras and camera's flashlight and mic. So yes guys, this is the final product and I've nearly took an hour to finish this. So this whole video was in time lapse, and so I've not done this quite properly as there are bit air bubbles on the cover. So I would suggest you all to just use something flat like a scale and flatten out the surface so that there are no air bubbles over there. And the second point where my design went wrong was the power button. In this Sony phone, the power button was circular, so I was unable to cut it properly but the other volume control and camera button went properly. So I think it should not be an issue for you all. And in the sides, I was using an air gun and just moving my hand above the surface so that it just flattens out. But as you can see, this area did not work properly, but something like this and this just made it correct, just was correct. And I think overall that this is worth the price range, as just for one phone it would nearly cost you 30 to 40 rupees, and I think it's worth it. And if you all want, you can just also stick that on the front bezels so that you can cover it, but I would like to leave it open like this. I had bought this skin on Amazon for nearly 150 rupees, and I think it's worth the price, cause for 150 rupees you get such a big skin, so you can use the leftover for your laptop, or if you have any other smartphone or other devices like your mouse, your headphones, etc. So for the price of rupees 200 for this cover, I think that it is worth it, because the quality is not so nice, but yeah, it gets the job done very well. And the sticking quality of the phone is also good, because it is made up of 3M material, which is top class material. And so I think for the price of 200 or nearly 30 rupees per phone, you should buy it. It's worth it. So if you're the person who is trying to change the looks of your smartphone, or the looks of your old smartphone or something else, you should go and use this method, because it's awesome. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to go and hit the like button. If you have not enjoyed this video, go and hit the dislike button. But if you think that this video was awesome, go and share it with other people. And if you're new to my channel, go and hit that red color button and turn it into grey. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you're new to my channel,
make sure to subscribe my channel also here. And I'll see you guys in next video. Keep traveling.
peace.